How to learn 10 times faster, like a CIA spy, easy mode. What if I told you there's a way to learn 10 times faster without textbooks or flashcards, and almost effortlessly? The CIA has reportedly used some of these methods to train their agents, and today I'm handing them over to you, unlocking the secrets of accelerated learning used by the CIA. Forget those boring study routines. Imagine mastering a new language in weeks or memorizing entire files in minutes. And the best part? You don't need a secret handler or a black budget to rewire your brain like a CIA agent. Welcome to Easy Mode. Step 1. Sleep learning. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine this. While you sleep, your brain is secretly downloading knowledge. Think of it like an automatic update for your memory. It's said that Soviet spies trained with a technique called hypno-learning, syncing their brains to theta waves, the sweet hazy zone between awake and asleep. Before bed, try tuning into theta wave tracks at 4 Hz on YouTube while reviewing Spanish verbs, math formulas, or history facts. Here's a bonus. Snap your fingers during the session. This becomes your focus trigger, so when you're scrolling Instagram, a snap will cue your brain back to study mode. Step 2. Neuro-priming learning in chaos. CIA agents don't learn in silence. They learn in chaos. War zones, gunfire, sirens. You can safely harness this too. Start small by setting up cafe noise or street sounds as background. Every 7 minutes, add a brief alarm or distraction and gradually increase the chaos. Your brain will get better at tuning out distractions, making it easier to focus even when life is noisy. Safety tip. Start small and safe. No need to put yourself in real danger. Even simulated chaos works. Step 3. The 5 sense memory trick. Ever caught a scent and been transported back in time? That's memory hijacking your senses. The CIA turned this into a memory superpower. While studying, chew cinnamon gum. Later, sniff cinnamon for instant recall. You can pair distinct smells, sounds, or colors with study sessions to optimize memory retention. Step 4. Memory Palace. Your house is already a memory map. Ever walked into a room and forgotten why? CIA agents used a technique called the memory palace, building mental frameworks for memorization. Create your own. Assign tasks to locations in your home. The mirror could represent today's top 3 tasks, while the fridge symbolizes your formula for success. Each time you pass these spots, it's an automatic refresh for your memory. Step 5. Mental download learning in 10-minute bursts. Here's a pro tip from the spies. Engage in active interleaving. Study one topic for 10 minutes, like memorizing a few Spanish words, then switch to another topic, like math formulas, for 10 more minutes. This method encourages your brain to cross-link topics, creating a 2-for-1 memory upgrade. Step 6. The week-by-week spy learning plan. Ready to turn yourself into a learning machine? Here's a CIA-approved learning schedule. Week 1. Hypno-learning with theta waves for sleep recall. Week 2. Neuro-priming to train your brain to focus in chaos. Week 3. Memory hacks involving scents, colors, and mental maps. Week 4. Active interleaving. Study multiple subjects at once. Stick to this plan, and in just a few weeks, your focus, memory, and learning speed will skyrocket. In short, sleep learning, chaos training, sensory tricks, memory palaces, and interleaving can transform your learning, making it almost effortless. Next time, I'll show you even crazier mind hacks that can triple your focus. Get ready for some serious brain upgrades. Start learning like a CIA spy, unlock next-level focus, and maybe keep it to yourself. Those spies might come knocking for their mind-hacking secrets back. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share with someone still trapped by traditional learning methods. They'll thank you for it. Remember, learning should feel as effortless as breathing.